Hey guys, little update to the channel. Over at Podbean, me and my wife Kristi started a new podcast. It's called Wonder Dust. It's a podcast where we travel to old places, often haunted, and explore the stories and history while seeing what exactly we can learn about it. Our first episode, Mansfield, explores the Ohio State Reformatory and the surrounding town, where a lot of the Shawshank Redemption was filmed. The link's in the description, and the full video will be up in the future, so check it out.